the one thing that separates, I think, Kubernetes from previous tools, Puppet, Chef, and Ansible, is this concept of state management. And it all plays on top of promise theory. So the idea here is that you would articulate what you want to happen as data. This is very different than some of the scripting things that people come from, where you write a script in Ruby, Python, or Bash, and then you just have it execute on the machine. Kubernetes says, hey, hold on a second, give me a piece of data, I'll store it, and then I'll converge into something that you want. So you're right, the first system was a container management system, where you say, hey, I want this container to run, I need 3 copies, this much memory and CPU, and off it goes. But if you think about how the web evolved, not everyone that's hosting a web server needs a website, right? But we can use the protocol, HTTP, under the covers to make sure that we can actually transfer information around, like a RESTful API. So I think what you're going to see in the future is this idea that Kubernetes, the protocol, which is still HTTP based, this idea of a resource, which is this Kubernetes YAML file we like to talk about a lot, and this concept of what other system can we describe this way? And so in the future, you probably won't necessarily need even a cluster in terms of nodes or orchestration management, but this idea that maybe I want Kubernetes to provision a database. In that case, you describe the database, you give it to the API server, and then its job is to have some controller that's simply watching, that knows how to understand that data and give you a database.